Recording in progress.
Number 12, what is the slope of the line tangent to the curve 3y squared minus 2x, 3y squared minus 2x squared equals 6 minus 2xy at the point 3, 2. When I see x and y variables all mixed in throughout the equation, and I'm given both an x and y coordinate, that should be a clue to use implicit differentiation. So to derive 3y squared, that would be 6y, but then since it's a y and not an x, we have to add dy dx, or attach that to the end. The derivative of 2x squared is 4x, and because it's an x, we do not have to attach anything. We just take the derivative like normal. The derivative of 6 is 0 minus the derivative of 2xy. This is two functions being multiplied together, so we will have to use the product rule. I'm going to say 2x is my first function and y is my second function, and I'm subtracting all of this from 0, so I need to put what I'm about to do in parentheses. Using the product rule, the derivative of 2x is 2 times y as is plus 2x as is times the derivative of y, which is just 1 dy dx. And simplify the right side a little bit. Distribute this negative, so we get negative 2y minus 2x dy dx. After you've done that, you need to get dy dx by itself. So I need to get everything that has a dy dx on one side. So I'm going to add this 2x dy dx. I'm going to add that to both sides, which means I'm going to add 4x to both sides to move this to the other side, so that all of my dy dx's will be on the left, everything else will be on the right. So we've got 6y dy dx plus the 2x dy dx I'm adding to both sides equals negative 2y plus the 4x that I added to both sides. Now that everything on the left side has a dy dx in it, that means we can factor that out. When we factor out dy dx, we are left with 6y plus 2x. Then the last step to get dy dx by itself is to divide both sides by 6y plus 2x. So dy dx equals negative 2y plus 4x over 6y plus 2x. Now you could simplify this a little bit further because everything is divisible by 2, but it really doesn't matter because we're just going to be plugging in our x and y values. So I'm just going to leave it as it is and plug in my x and y. Y is 2, x is 3. Get negative 4 plus 12 over 12 plus 6. Negative 4 plus 12 is 8. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 over 8 can be simplified to 4 over 9, which is choice B.